Alright, check out this beauty we've been called out to. Pool's been obviously neglected for quite a while. I mean, look at the state of the shed. All fallen apart, so supposedly this place has been pretty vacant for a little while now, so we're going to bomb it today with some chems, give it a good broom and a scoop, and see what results we can get. This stuff is pretty stubborn. That's me scratching with my nails, I can get it off, but just even sort of rubbing it with my fingers, I get nowhere. Alright, we'll start by pulling the cleaner out because I don't think it's working anyways. Don't see that from here, that's like looking like this as well. It's weird section 3 doesn't look like it has anything. I don't know if that's the cleaner was tracking backwards and forwards or something fell in the pool and sat there for quite a while. There are about 4 kilos here of granulated chlorine. We'll sprinkle around the pool and then get brooming. Beautiful. Let that sit 5-10 minutes, then we'll give the whole pool a broom and a scoop. Now it actually hasn't been that long, about 5 minutes. And even the top of the bench is already starting to improve. Got a little bit of a streak running around the edge of the pool here where you watch me sprinkle it all in, so with any luck we might be able to recover this one. Now, it's by no means looking better yet, but I reckon we get back here tomorrow morning and see what sort of results we've gotten. Alright, welcome back. Popped in again to check on our green pool recovery. This one was very badly stained, and still is pretty stained, to be honest. You sort of see areas where I've probably missed with the broom, but drastic improvement. So we can see on the bottom there we've got lots of leaves and twigs, and I've been lucky enough to be sent a pool cleaner, a robotic pool cleaner. Yes, you heard that correctly. We've been lucky enough today to be testing out the new AIPER SCUBA S1 Pro cordless pool cleaner. Actually very excited to get into this one. Seen lots of videos, but haven't seen any sort of test videos on a really trashed pool like what we've got today. It's packaged up really nicely, as you can see. There's the manual in that box there. We've got our hook to scoop it out of the pool. That just attaches to your telly pole. We'll show you how to do that a little bit later on. And being a cordless pool cleaner, it's obviously got a charging cable there. Now the recharge time on these is approximately about 4 hours from dead flat. And total run time it can do is a 3-hour cycle. Now you can see it's packaged quite nicely there. Not too heavy either, which surprised me. Just peeling all the plastic off here, and we'll have a bit of a closer look at it. These come with a 2-year warranty, which is really good as well. So just at the front there where it says AIPER is the handle that we use to hook it out. We've got some scrubbers there at the front, tracks on the side. There's our little control panel, it's nice and simple. And at the rear there we have our charging point. At the back there you can open up, get into the filter canister. It's got a 2-stage filter system. There we have a basket, decent size. And then we have a 2nd stage filter, kind of like a cartridge filter there at the... Those clips all back together again. So this is the control panel there. You just got to hold down the power button for 2 seconds. You'll hear it beep. And you've essentially got 4 modes to choose from. We have our auto mode, which is essentially a floor and wall setup. And that will just pretty much run until the cleaner goes flat. We have a floor mode, we have a waterline mode, and an eco mode. Now the eco mode's quite interesting. It's essentially like a scheduled timer for it. If it's fully charged, the cleaner will run for 45 minutes once every 48 hours. So that will then last you approximately a week of running time. So pretty impressive here. You can see it comes right up to the waterline there, gives it a nice scrub. I was actually quite surprised, seeing as this pool is a fiberglass pool with the safety ledge around it, how easily it was able to track over the top of it. Alright, so I popped off for a little bit, did another job, and just let it do its thing. And we'll come back now and we can pull it out of the pool and see what results we got. So it was definitely a very tough ask for it, but what we might do is pull it out, give it a clean, we'll drop it back in here and let it go around a second time. So what we'll do now is they supply you with a little clip to hook the robot out of the pool, which just attaches to your telly pole. So we'll set that up now. So here we have the little clip that they supply us with. It just pops inside here, clips into our last little hole on our telly pole. Alright, so we're just going to power it off. And let's check out how it's done. Oh. Lift up the little clip here at the back. Side here is our canister. A little bit tricky one-handed. And there we go, and done a cracking job. You can see all the fine stuff that it's picked up that's on the bottom of the pool. So just imagine what it could do to a well-maintained pool. Look at all the stuff in the bottom. And that's in about an hour. We've also got our 2nd stage canister here as well. Picks up a bunch of stuff as well. So I'm going to give those a hose out now. Here back in the pool, and it can keep doing its thing. I'll loan it to the clients on this job and we'll come back and pick it up tomorrow. Gave this another hose and clean out. Given the pool another broom and a scoop. What we're going to do now is we're going to turn it on. We'll make sure we're in our wall and floor mode, which is the auto mode. We're going to drop this back in. We're going to let it do its thing overnight. Alright, back again here today. We're checking out our AIPER SCUBA S1 Pro. We've let it run twice on this pool and very, very impressed. Still a little bit murky, not wrong, but it's picked up a lot of the stuff off the bottom. Pretty excited to see what's in it, so let's set up the hook on our telly pole and let's get it out and check it out. Alright, so we've scooped it out, used our little hook there. Now we're going to open it up, check out the inside, take this back to the office and give it a good clean out. If you push down on the little black clip there, with one hand, we'll have to use two. We can open up the contents there and we can see all the stuff that's mulched up. Now don't forget, this was the second time through, so a little bit less, but imagine what it could do on a nice clean pool. Nice work, AIPER.